How to make community post on your YouTube account. So first of all, open the YouTube applications, then click on the plus icon, and you will see option like post option here. So click on it and type now like this tag, like this thanks for 60k 100k subscribers, and add now like this photo, anything like this Roblox photo, and select another image and post now, and create the poll, and otherwise, and you will see options like this profile icon and by profile icon, and you will see option like community options, and you will see your post like this edit now and add now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.